In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Etsy account in the UK. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Etsy UK sign-in page. This is the page where you can either log into an existing account or create a brand new one. If you're new to Etsy, look for the register option inside the sign-in pop-up box and click on it. That will take you to the account creation section. From here, Etsy will ask for a few basic details to set up your account. You'll need to enter your email address, your first name, and a secure password. When choosing your password, make sure it's something strong and unique. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps keep your account safer, especially if you plan to use Etsy regularly for shopping or eventually for selling. Take a moment to double check the information before moving on. Using an email address that you access often is a good idea because Etsy may send you important updates, sign-in confirmations, or account-related notifications there. Your first name helps personalize your account, and entering everything correctly from the start can save time later. If you'd prefer a faster option, Etsy also gives you the choice to create your account using an existing Google, Apple, or Facebook account. If that's easier for you, simply click the relevant Continue button and follow the prompts on screen. This can speed up the registration process since some of your details may be filled in automatically. It's a convenient option if you already use one of those services and want to get started quickly. Whether you sign up with your email address or through Google, Apple, or Facebook, the goal is the same, creating your Etsy account so you can begin exploring the platform. Once your registration is complete, you'll be able to browse products, save favorites, follow shops, and take the next steps if you later decide to open your own Etsy shop. If you run into any issues while registering, make sure the page has fully loaded and that your password meets Etsy's requirements. Also, check that your email address is entered correctly to avoid problems accessing your account later. That's all it takes to make an Etsy account in the UK. Follow these steps carefully and you should be set up in just a few minutes.